Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be ripping open the Stitch promo bundle. Coming with the binder, holographic Stitch promo card, and then it comes with 4 booster packs of the Azurite Sea. Today we're going to be ripping through all 4 of the packs, trying to just see what we can get. As you can see here in the video, my pack opening skills are incredible. Something about this Lorcana, holy crap, the Legendary Genie. That is a beautiful card. And then right behind it, a beautiful holographic Tinkerbell. As I was saying, one of the things that I noticed about this TCG is the artwork on all of the cards is just absolutely phenomenal. I'm really glad that I decided to get into this game. I thoroughly enjoy looking at the cards, reading the cards, and learning how to play the game. The hit rates aren't as high as my Pokemon, nor are the cards technically worth as much, but I have a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you do too.